From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, our planet is teeming with creatures that defy imagination. Join us on Fact Flicker as we journey into the astounding world of the animal kingdom, uncovering secrets and revealing the unbelievable. Get ready to be amazed by nature's ingenuity, its boundless creativity, and the sheer strangeness of the creatures we share our planet with. In the vast expanse of the ocean, there exists a creature that seems to hold the secret to immortality. This, my friends, is the Turritopsis dohrnii, more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. When faced with extreme stress or injury, this remarkable jellyfish doesn't simply perish. Instead, it undergoes a process called transdifferentiation, essentially hitting the reset button on its own biology. The adult jellyfish reverts back to its juvenile polyp stage, forming a colony of polyps that are genetically identical to the original. It's like a butterfly transforming back into a caterpillar, a phoenix rising from its own ashes. So the next time you gaze out at the ocean, remember the immortal jellyfish, a tiny creature that has unlocked one of life's greatest mysteries. In the coral reefs, a kaleidoscope of life unfolds before our very eyes. But within this vibrant underwater world there exists a master of deception, a creature so cunning it could rival even the most skilled actor. This, my friends, is the mimic octopus, a creature that takes camouflage to a whole new level. The mimic octopus changes its shape, color, and texture to impersonate a variety of creatures, from venomous sea snakes to poisonous lionfish. By morphing into these fearsome creatures, the mimic octopus deters predators, ensuring its survival in the cutthroat world of the coral reef. So the next time you marvel at the beauty of a coral reef, remember the mimic octopus, a creature that reminds us that appearances can be deceiving. Deep in the ancient lakes of Mexico, there lives a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a science fiction novel. With its feathery gills, youthful grin, and an uncanny ability to regenerate lost body parts, the axolotl is a true marvel of the animal kingdom. The axolotl possesses this extraordinary power, a power that has captivated scientists and ignited the imaginations of people around the world. Unlike most amphibians, the axolotl retains its larval features throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. So, the next time you think of superheroes and their extraordinary powers, remember the axolotl, a real-life superhero that blurs the line between science fiction and reality. In the hidden corners of our planet, in the most extreme environments imaginable, there exists a creature so resilient, it seems to defy the very laws of nature. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet, a microscopic animal that can survive conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms. The tardigrade can withstand temperatures close to absolute zero, the vacuum of space, even the intense radiation of a nuclear blast. The tardigrade can do all of this and more, entering a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis, in which its metabolism slows to a virtual standstill. In this state, the tardigrade can survive for decades, waiting for conditions to improve before springing back to life. So, the next time you think of the limits of life, remember the tardigrade, a tiny creature that has pushed those limits further than we ever thought possible. In the land down under, where the wildlife is as diverse as it is unusual, there exists a creature so peculiar it's hard to believe it's not a figment of someone's imagination. This, my friends, is the platypus, a creature that seems to have defied the rules of evolution, a living testament to nature's sense of humor. Imagine a creature with the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the feet of an otter. Now imagine that this creature lays eggs like a reptile but nurses its young with milk like a mammal. That's the platypus in a nutshell, a creature that seems to have borrowed features from all over the animal kingdom. Did you know that male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs, used to fend off rivals during mating season? Or that they locate their prey underwater using electroreception, sensing the electrical fields generated by their prey's muscle contractions? So, the next time you think of strange and wonderful creatures, remember the platypus, a creature that proves that truth is often stranger than fiction. In the shallow tropical waters of the world's oceans, there lives a creature that packs a punch so powerful, it can shatter aquarium glass and stun its prey in an instant. This, my friends, is the mantis shrimp, a small but mighty crustacean that's earned a reputation as one of the most formidable creatures in the sea. The mantis shrimp's club-like appendages can strike with the force of a .22 caliber bullet. But the mantis shrimp's impressive abilities don't end there. They also possess the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, with 12 to 16 photoreceptor types, compared to our measly 3. This allows them to see ultraviolet and polarized light, giving them a visual experience far beyond our own. So, the next time you think of powerful creatures, remember the mantis shrimp, a tiny crustacean that proves that dynamite comes in small packages. Deep within the rainforests of Australia, there exists a creature so skilled in the art of mimicry, it can imitate a symphony of sounds, from the calls of other birds to the roar of chainsaws. This, my friends, is the superb lyrebird, a master of vocal imitation and a true virtuoso of the avian world. The lyrebird's vocal cords and syrinx, the bird's equivalent of a voice box, are so complex, they allow it to mimic an astonishing range of sounds. But the lyrebird's mimicry isn't just about entertainment. It's a crucial part of their courtship rituals, with males using their impressive vocal repertoire to attract mates. They incorporate a variety of sounds into their songs, including car alarms, camera shutters, and even human laughter. So, the next time you listen to the sounds of nature, remember the lyrebird, a creature that reminds us that the world is full of hidden talents and unexpected wonders. In the icy waters of the Arctic, there swims a creature so elusive it has captured the imaginations of sailors and storytellers for centuries. This, my friends, is the narwhal, a whale with a long, spiraled tusk that has earned it the nickname unicorn of the sea. Imagine a tusk that can grow up to 10 feet long, spiraling counterclockwise from the left side of the narwhal's upper jaw. This tusk, which is actually an elongated canine tooth, has been the subject of much speculation and wonder. Recent research suggests that the narwhal's tusk is actually a sensory organ, covered in millions of nerve endings that allow it to detect changes in water pressure, temperature, and salinity. This incredible adaptation helps the narwhal navigate the icy waters, locate prey, and even communicate with other narwhals. So the next time you think of mythical creatures and legends of the sea, remember the narwhal, a real-life unicorn that reminds us that the ocean is full of mysteries yet to be unraveled. In the murky depths of the Amazon River, there lurks a creature that can generate enough electricity to stun a human heart. This, my friends, is the electric eel, a fish that has evolved the remarkable ability to generate and discharge powerful electric shocks. The electric eel possesses this extraordinary power thanks to specialized cells called electrocytes, which are stacked like batteries within its body. By generating a potential difference across these cells, the electric eel can create electric fields that can reach up to 600 volts, enough to stun prey, deter predators, and even navigate the murky waters. But the electric eel's electric powers are not just about brute force. They also use weak electric discharges for electrolocation, sensing their surroundings by detecting distortions in the electric fields they create. So the next time you think of the power of electricity, remember the electric eel, a creature that has harnessed this force of nature in ways we are only beginning to understand. In the savannas and grasslands of Africa, there roams a creature so fearless it has earned a reputation as one of the toughest animals on the planet. This, my friends, is the honey badger, a small but mighty creature that lives up to its name and then some. Imagine a creature that fears no foe, a creature that will take on lions, hyenas, and even venomous snakes without hesitation. The honey badger's thick skin, loose hide, and ferocious fighting spirit make it a formidable opponent even for much larger predators. But the honey badger's toughness goes beyond its physical attributes. It's also incredibly intelligent and resourceful, known for its ability to problem-solve, escape from seemingly impossible situations, and even use tools. So, the next time you think of courage, tenacity, and a never-give-up attitude, remember the honey badger, a creature that reminds us that size isn't everything, and that even the smallest of creatures can possess an indomitable spirit. Well, there you have it, 10 mind-blowing animal facts that prove the natural world is full of surprises. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet.